Good morning everybody, Ken Ring here, 9th of March, www.predictweather.com. Well, today the moon is in Capricorn and it was in Sagittarius yesterday. It's just moved into the next sign and it was at the southernmost point, which was the highest point above where I am, and now it's starting to move north. Ever so slightly. If you were in space looking at it, it'll be moving from the southern hemisphere up to the northern hemisphere. And when it starts to move, gets on the move like that, starts to generate southerlies, it brings colder weather up over the bottom of New Zealand and then over the rest of it. So we're getting into a colder phase now. In a couple of days' time, here's Mars down here. Mars will be opposite the moon, and when you get in this opposite shape like that, that's called an aspect, and it's quite a strong and powerful thing that the angle will be, and it will trigger Mars into action. Now Mars is kind of the man of action. Whatever else is around, Mars will come and trigger it for you. And if there's a bit of rain around, well, Mars will bring it. If there's a bit of heat, oh, Mars will lay it on. So there could be a bit of rain around because the moon will be making an angle, like a right angle, with Saturn and another one with Venus here, and we call that squaring Saturn, squaring Venus. When it does those with those two, those are rain signs, especially Venus. Venus is like the farmer's friend. It brings pretty steady, pleasant rain when it's in that kind of angle. So maybe with the cold, and these angles, maybe there will be a bit of rain around the place. Talking about cold, it's going to be a cold year. That's what's coming up. 2010, it's going to be a year of an incredible number of snowstorms. It may close our Turoa ski field about one day out of every 4. So we've got that to look forward to. Not so good if you're a skier, but if you're a ski operator, there's going to be a lot of snow that's coming. There will be a lot of blocked roads as well, but at least it'll put down a base for some summer skiing at the end of this year. So cold winter, get a lot of firewood and now get it stored, because at the end of March we're going to be right in autumn, and they'll be putting the price up because they give it to the restaurants pretty soon, and the firewood merchants make it a little bit more expensive for other people. So get your firewood now, get Manuka, it's the best wood while you can. Anyway, watch me tomorrow. Lovely to have you here. Thanks for watching. Ken Ring, www.predictweather.com. Bye.